What's going on, cruisers? Welcome back to All Aboard with Joe. Today I am in my room at the Hotel Maya. This is my pre-cruise hotel. I'm actually getting on Carnival tomorrow, and I need to show you my room. I'm gonna do a little room tour. Now, if you're ever sailing out of Long Beach, this is a hotel I highly recommend. I'm really excited to be here and show you this amazing suite. Okay, so after you come in, I'm gonna do the boring stuff right away, get the closet out of the way. As you can see, you got a place to hang up your clothes. If you're here for longer than a day, you've got a safe. I'm only here for a day, so I'll be living out of my suitcase. Yep, there are stairs. A full-length mirror here, a bench that you can put, I don't know, sit there, put your bag, whatever. Let's go into the bathroom. Check this out. So, little bookshelf style shelving here. Another mirror, pretty large shower. So really nothing fancy other than the design is nice and everything's really clean and pristine. So that's all nice and good. But wait until you see this living area. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful living area. I mean, even their stand for the TV is just really cool. It's like very antique looking. Huge shag carpet, very comfy living situation. This would be great if you had a few people with you. Before I go upstairs and show you that, I'm going to show you the amenities over here. So you've got a desk to work at, which I'll be doing a little bit later. Got a little work to do. Of course, you've got handy little plugs, USB. No USB-C, but that's okay. Most people already have adapters. You got a Keurig coffee maker. They did a little welcome fruit platter. Don't know what's in there yet. I'll open that later. Some Pellegrino, some bottles of water, and obviously trash can and whatnot, and place to put your suitcase. So before we go upstairs, let's check out outside. Look at this view. 2 lounge chairs. I'm not going to go outside right now, but a gorgeous view. I believe that's the Queen Mary. Pretty sure. Yeah, just absolute breathtaking view. And now we go upstairs. Now, I have not been up here yet, so this is literally me reacting live. So as you can see, though, you've got the bed, which have not tried yet. As I said, I haven't been up here, but it looks comfy. Nice. I love that the AC unit's here, so I can get it nice and cold up here because, you know, heat rises. Another large TV, and it looks like the same stand, and it looks like more hanging area. Oh, it looks like I can also exit this way. Another door. That's pretty neat. But yeah, look at that. Another safe and more hanging area. So it's a little dark right now because I haven't turned the lights on. But how cool is this room? Wow. Beautiful. Now, as I said, I'm here just for a night, which is a shame because now that I've seen the room, I kind of just want to be here all day. I'm here early. I'm actually going to get ready, put my swim trunks on, and go to the pool. Tonight I have reservations at their restaurant, which is called Fuego. So if I do a full video on the hotel, you will see obviously Fuego included. If not, check me out on social media. You'll see it there on Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, wow, what a beautiful room. I'm really excited to kind of spend the day here. And then they actually scheduled a pickup for me tomorrow to go to the Long Beach cruise port. I'm getting on Carnival, as I said, and of course, I'm going to do an embarkation video, just like I always do, and a room tour, and food, and all this other stuff I do on cruises, so I'm really excited, and of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me. But yeah, if you guys need a pre-cruise hotel in Long Beach, definitely check out Hotel Maya. I'm very impressed. I kind of wish I was post-cruise here, because I'd want to spend a couple days in Long Beach, but unfortunately, I got to get back to St. Louis area. Well, that's it for today's little quick room tour. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.